Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about two questions once again. What is alt attribute in image tag? Okay, and second question would be what is the difference between field set and legend? Okay, so first question is what is alt attribute in image tag? Okay, so we all know that when we have alt attribute, like when we have an image tag, we have image tag like this. First thing that we provide is source. Inside the source we provide the URL. Other than this we provide one alt tag. Okay, over here alt tag is the very first point. Why do we add alt tag over there? Is to create a fallback content. Okay, what if the so first point would be to create a fallback content. What is a fallback content? Like what if the image is not getting loaded properly? What if the image URL that we are having is corrupted? What if the image URL that we are using, it is not containing the image anymore? Okay, so it could be any of the reason. Okay, so if the image is not getting loaded on the web page, as an outcome the alt tag me, whatever the text that we will be providing inside the alt tag will get displayed on the web page. Okay, so very first thing is the fallback content. Fallback is a specific term that we use. Like what if one thing does not work, then fallback would be another thing. ओके अगर एक चीज़ नहीं काम करती है तो उसकी जगह पे हम लोग कुछ और पास कर देते हैं. ठीक है, सो दैट इज़ अ फॉल बैक मेथड, फॉल बैक phenomena we can say. Okay, so this is works as a phenomena. So this works, alt attribute works as a fallback content inside the image tag. Okay, other than this it also makes sure कि आप proper web standards you are following, because we are providing alt attribute properly. So it also gives us one plus point that we are following proper web standards. To follow web standards. Okay, it also increases these two things. First is accessibility. Once again, because for disabled people or for especially abled people, they'll not be able to view the image. For example, if they're colorblind or anything like that, they won't be able to see the image, but in that situation they can read the alt text, right? So it helps you with the accessibility. Okay, in that case it helps you with the accessibility. Other than that, it also helps you with the search engine optimization, because the web engines, web crawlers that you are having, they do not look into the image, they look inside your alt text. Okay, so based on what text that you are having, based on that it basically increases your optimization of the website. So these are the 4 points that you are having for the alt attribute. Normally अगर आपने जितना कोर्स में मैंने भी प्लेलिस्ट में जितना बताया था उसमें मैंने भी सिर्फ फर्स्ट पॉइंट ही बताया था कि ये बस एक फॉल बैक कॉन्टेंट होता है. ठीक है, सो बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है टू मेंटेन अ पॉइंट वाइज स्ट्रक्चर फॉर एवरी क्वेश्चन. क्योंकि कि लाइक अगर ये क्वेश्चन आता है तो हमको क्या क्या पॉइंट्स देने हैं इन द आंसर. ओके, ऑलराइट, सिर्फ आंसर ही नहीं देने, समझने भी हैं. Okay, yeah, next comes is what is the difference between field set and legend. What is the difference between field set and legend? Field set basically क्या करता है? It basically groups similar kind of form elements into one single group, for example, and creates a box around it. For example, if you want to ask any personal information to someone, okay, so if I want to ask any personal information from someone like name, email address, phone number, contact number, address, okay, so I will just create a field set around it. Okay, I just say field set like this, close field set. I'll ask name, email, and so on inside this. So field set basically groups the similar kind of form elements into one single box. एक बॉक्स में it creates a border around it and it group the all the similar kind of form elements into one. That is field set. Legends provides allows you to give a name to this specific box that field set creates. Okay, so that is the field set versus legend. Field set groups the elements or I will say similar elements. Groups groups the similar kind of form elements in a box. This one is your field set. To give a name to this box, that one would be legend tag. This one I've already discussed in the HTML forms video, so we can be like, you can check inside that video also. So that's it for the HTML interview questions. There are lots and lots of other questions also. कुछ भी questions create कर सकते हो, like how many lists are there, how many lists are there. Okay, so how many are there? For example, UL unordered list you have, ordered list you have, then comes as descriptive list also you have now. Okay, so this is one question, like these for your practice I'm saying. Okay, second question would be what is href attribute in anchor tag? What is href attribute in anchor tag? Third question could be like what is the difference between call span versus row span? Okay, this could be a question. Why I'm not explaining these questions again is because, like, if it is required, you can mention in the comments, I can explain it. But it's just that like these kind of topics, these topics I have covered inside the videos. Okay, so you can check over there, but still if you require, I can cover these topics, but at least mention that in the comments, then I will create a video for that also. Okay, all right. So how to create a table, anything like this, but these are very like less asked questions, so yes, something like this. Okay, so that's it for this video. These are the questions also that you can practice for HTML interview questions. Next videos, see, I will combine HTML and CSS together, and then I will create the questions according to that, and then we'll be discussing those kind of questions. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.